students, I hope you all are doing well at your places and you all are revising the previous concept, also taking care of your health properly. And today we'll be studying negative sentences. See, what are negative sentence? Negative sentence are very easy. You can do like if I'll make you read this chapter, you will definitely gonna understand what are negative sentences. Negative sentence mean you just have to add no, no or never. So let's just begin with this by giving the few example, very easy for you to identify about negative sentence. So let's just begin. So the title of our chapter is negative sentences, right? So can you change these sentences into negative? You can take the help of your friends. Okay, negative में you just have to add only no, right? So this is the peacock, right? This is a peacock. This is not a peacock, right? You can easily write over here that this is not a peacock. Right, it is dancing in the forest. It is not dancing in the forest. Right. So we will be reading the further sentences and we can see that she is a dancer. Right. Negative में she is not a dancer. वो dancer नहीं है. They are good boys. They are not good boys. वो लोग good boys नहीं हैं. I am an expert engineer. I am not an expert engineer. Engineer से expert से पहले an आया हुआ है क्योंकि vowel है. Right. Jay was present there. Jay वहाँ पे present था. Jay was not present there. Not add किया हुआ है. They were farmers. No, they were not farmers. So these sentences, the sentences on the left hand side, they are affirmative. Affirmative means they are positive. The sentences on the right hand side, they are negative sentences because they have the word not in them. क्योंकि उनके अंदर not लगा हुआ है. Negative sentences express as refusal or denial. सीधा मुंह पे मना कर देना. Now read the following sentences. The gardener is watering the plants. Gardener पानी डाल रहा है plants को. The gardener is not watering the plants. Plants को पानी नहीं डाल रहा है. The goats are grazing. Goats क्या है? Graze कर रही हैं. The goats are not grazing. Right. The baby is laughing. बच्चा हंस रहा है. The baby is not laughing. Right. She was cooking food. She was not cooking food. वो खाना नहीं बना रही है. They were writing a letter. वो एक letter लिख रहे हैं. They were not writing a letter. वो लोग letter नहीं लिख रहे हैं. So the negative sentence in the present continuous tense and past continuous में बस basically हमें क्या करना है? Verb का ध्यान लगाना है और ing लगाना है. It is formed by is are am was were plus not and the past participle means ing form. देखिए हमें is are am was were ये सब helping verbs हैं और इनके साथ हमें not लगाना है और एक present participle लगाना है. Present participle का मतलब है ing और past participle होता means उसका second form. Now read the following sentences. You can eat an apple every day. आप हर रोज एक एप्पल खा सकते हैं. You do not eat an apple every day. आप एक रोज एक एप्पल नहीं खाते हैं. Shivi cleans her room every day. Shivi हर रोज अपना रूम साफ करती है. Shivi does not clean her room every day. Shivi अपना रूम साफ नहीं करता है. He plays with the ball. वो बॉल के साथ खेलता है. He does not play with the ball. वो बॉल के साथ नहीं खेलता है. Naman arrived very late. नमन बहुत ही ज्यादा लेट अराइव करता है. नमन डिड नॉट अराइव वेरी लेट. नमन जो है वो लेट नहीं आया. इट रेन हेवनली येस्टरडे. इट डिड नॉट रेन हेवनली येस्टरडे. अब देखिए ये सब कुछ कैसा है? सिंपल. द नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट, इन सिंपल पास्ट, इट इज फॉर्म्ड विद डू, डज, डिड, नॉट और बेस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. बेस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब मीन्स उसका पास्ट फॉर्म जो भी आपको लगाना है. नॉट लगाइए. देखिए नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में सिंपल प्रेजेंट में और सिंपल पास्ट में इट इज फॉर्म विद, जब वहां पे आप डू लगाइए, डज लगाइए और डिड. डिड पास्ट के लिए होता है, डू प्रेजेंट के लिए होता है और डज थर्ड पार्टी के लिए होता है. राइट. नाउ रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. आई हैव अ टेलीविजन. मेरे पास एक टेलीविजन है. आई हैव नो टेलीविजन. मेरे पास टेलीविजन नहीं है. वी हैव अ हाउस इन दिल्ली. हम लोग का एक घर है दिल्ली में. आई हैव नो हाउस. वी हैव नो हाउस इन दिल्ली. राइट. शी हैज अ ब्रदर. उसका एक भाई है. शी हैज नो ब्रदर. ही हैज अ पेन. उसके पास एक पेन है. ही हैज नो रेड पेन. उसके पास कोई रेड पेन नहीं है. They had a mobile phone. They had not a mobile phone. They had no mobile phone, right? So sentences containing has, had, have, they shows possession. What do you mean by possession? Means belongingness, means ownership, right? So the negative sentences is formed with has, have, had plus no, right? And no is another word, another negative word which means no, not any, ki koi bhi nahi hai, right? So what are the general rules for making the negative sentences? The word not is placed between the helping verb and the main verb. Main verb और helping verb के बीच में हम क्या लगा देंगे? Not लगा देंगे. जैसे is क्या है? Is एक helping verb है और laughing एक main verb है. She is not laughing, right? Over here she तो pronoun है, right? Is एक helping verb है, not आपने लगा दिया है और main verb के बीच में. देखिए ये helping verb है और एक ये main verb है. Moving on to the next, the word not is jointly used with the modal verb can, could, shall, should. इन सबके साथ हम not लगा देते हैं, right? They cannot do it. वो ये नहीं कर सकते हैं. The negative, the following negative contractions verb के साथ not लगाना, they are generally used in the English language. वो English language में हम use करते हैं. जैसे I am not का am not, right? Is not का isn't, right? इसको हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Shrink कर रहे हैं, contract कर रहे हैं. Are not का aren't. Was not का wasn't, right? Were not का weren't, right? Have not का haven't. Moving on to the next is has not का hasn't, right? Had not का hadn't. Do not का don't, right? Does not का doesn't. Did not का didn't, right? Will not का won't. Would not का wouldn't. Shall not का shouldn't. Shalln't, you can say. Should not का shouldn't, cannot का can't, right? Could not का couldn't, and must not का mustn't, right? So there is a recap that we should add no, not, never to make negative sentences. Now we have to write the contracted verbs of the following words. She will not का क्या हो जाएगा? She won't, right? You should not misbehave with her. You shouldn't. Right? We shall not participate in the drama. We shalln't. We must not disobey the rule. It's mustn't. I do not like coffee means I don't like coffee. Right? हम इसकी shrink form लिख रहे हैं. That is contracted. We did not go there. We didn't go there. देखिए didn't जो है वो do का past है, right? Do, did, right? Doesn't basically. She does not sing. She doesn't sing. So I hope you all understood about these negative sentences in which we just have to add no, not, never according to the tense. So please keep revising, and of course please do not forget to revise the previous sentences that we have studied in the previous class. Please stay blessed and please keep studying hard and stay blessed. Keep smiling. Thank you.